As you can see, I'm moving the camera all around so that we can see what sort of effects we get. Let's make sure we're zoomed right out. Yes, we are. You can see there's a little bit of cloud in the sky. There's a bit of a wind carrying the clouds across. So now let's drop the welding lens in as a filter and see what we can find. Okay, just straightening this up. Alright, so now that I've got the welding lens in, you can see that we can still see the clouds. I'll just pan around, you can still see some of the scenery. So if there was anything unusual there, I should be able to see it. But let's zoom right in on the sun, and we'll get the camera so it's set perfectly. Okay, just letting the auto settings kick in there. Now I'm going to lock the exposure setting, and now I'm going to lock the focus to manual focus and infinity. Okay, so there is the sun, and now that the settings are locked, I'm going to zoom back out, and we're going to have a look all around the sun, up, down, left, right, and see if we can find NIBIRU, Planet X, a second sun, anything silly like that. Let's zoom right out. You can see that with all the glare removed, the sun is actually quite small in the sky. It's only half of 1 degree. So left, right, up, down, and all around. Let's put the sun up into the different corners, and I'm not seeing anything, no second objects. Let's bring that in again so it's closer. I'm not seeing any dwarfs in front of the sun either. Alright, so now I'll take it off the auto setting and you'll see all that glare kick in again. Alright, as I zoom out, here we go. So now I'm going to take the welding lens filter out, and I'm going to put in a proper beta solar filter, which is what we use on telescopes. And here we go. It's overexposed until the camera sorts itself out. There we go. Let's have another quick look around. I don't want to leave it looking at the sun for too long without a filter, because I don't want to damage my camera. So here is the beta solar filter. And let's do the same thing again. Let's move it all around. Now, because the beta filter is like a soft foil, you can see this sort of effect that we get there. I'm just moving the filter there. It's not rigid like a welding lens. But when I zoom right in, we can set the camera again, and we'll get a nice clear image. Okay, there we go. And let me just lock the exposure. And it's already set to infinity manual focus. So let's do the same thing again. I'll zoom out part of the way, and looking all around, up, down, left, right. Can't see any second sun, can't see any brown dwarfs. Let's zoom right out, and again with a proper beta solar filter. This is what astronomers use for viewing the sun. We can also use a hydrogen alpha telescope for viewing the sun. Now we've got one at the observatory, so I might have to break that one out and take a look through that as well. So up, down, left, right, all around the sky. I'm not seeing anything unusual today. No brown dwarfs, nothing unusual, just the sun. And that is at full zoom. So that is NIBIRU Watch for Monday, July 24th, 2017. This is Dazza the cameraman. Thank you for watching.